I'm 16 years old, and at that age, Einstein had a dream that he was riding a light beam. I know, it's just a dream, but maybe this guy discovered how he can travel to interstellar systems while he was dreaming. Yes, he himself proved that it's impossible for something with mass as large as ours to reach even far the speed of light. But what if this journey is actually made by something very, very small? A nano-spacecraft. Well, to do that, we use something called nanotechnology. That is a way to build things that are very, very small. Small like this? No. Small like this brand of hair. If we split it in 30,000 pieces. At the nanoscale, things work differently than at the macro scale. For example, diamonds and graphites are made of the exactly same thing, carbon atoms, but rearranged in different ways. So we can actually rearrange atoms to make tiny spacecrafts that can travel at the velocity of 1/5 speed of light. And this is a very important point. Space exploration takes too much time because we need to wait years until the probe reaches the target and sends information back to us. To have an idea, an interstellar trip to Alpha Centauri made by Voyager would take 70,000 years. Now let's put a nano-spacecraft at the Voyager's place. The spacecraft would be accelerated through a laser flash, where the photons of light would bump into a solar sail. Photons doesn't have mass, but they have momentum, which is transferred and the spacecraft is propelled forward. If this were in Einstein's dream, he would not be riding a ray of light, but being pushed by it. And now this same trip would take only 20 years to happen, making interstellar travel possible to us. The use of nanotechnology in space exploration is not only applicable to spacecraft. We can also use it to deploy a network of nanosensors to search large areas of planets, such as Mars, for traces of water or other chemicals. To make BIO-NANO robots that respond to damage to the spacesuits and provide drugs in a medical emergency. To produce thrusters for spacecrafts and much more. While exploring space, we develop new technologies that will be used in many different areas. It's because of the space race that your cell phone has a camera, that you have comfortable shoes to run, and also safer, longer-lasting tires. We are on the threshold of a new era, where human colonization on other planets is no longer a dream, where we can combine our knowledge of the very small with the immensity of our universe to finally understand where we are, who we are, and where we're going. The answers are out there, and it's time to go look for them.